IBM Full Stack Software Developer. Professional certificate review is one of the most searched topics for anyone who wants to become a full stack developer. In this video, I'll explain what you get, who it's for, and whether it's worth taking in 2026. If you decide this program is right for you, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access this certificate and thousands of other career programs. The IBM Full Stack Software Developer Professional Certificate is designed for beginners. You don't need previous programming experience to get started. The program helps you build job-ready software development skills through a self-paced learning path. The certificate includes 15 courses covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, Express, Python, Django, Git, GitHub, SQL, Docker, Kubernetes, OpenShift, cloud computing, microservices, serverless development, and generative AI. One of the biggest strengths of this program is its hands-on approach. You'll build real web applications from front-end to back-end. You'll also deploy cloud-native applications and publish your projects on GitHub. By the end of the program, you'll have a portfolio that you can share with employers. Another major benefit is the IBM credential. After completing the program, you'll earn an industry-recognized professional certificate that you can add to your LinkedIn profile and resume. The program also includes career guidance and interview preparation to help you land your first developer role. Now let's talk about value. Many learners purchase individual development courses, but that can become expensive if you plan to complete several professional certificates. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's just $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top universities. Overall, the IBM Full Stack Software Developer Professional Certificate is an excellent choice for beginners who want practical, job-ready development skills. The hands-on projects, cloud technologies, GitHub portfolio, and IBM credential make it one of the best full-stack certificates available on Coursera. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.